The difference between the digital products that flop and the ones that print money isn't the quality, the traffic, or even the marketing. It's almost always the product's hook. And in this video, I'll show you how to write product hooks so good that your digital products sell themselves. Look, this is the exact formula we've used to do multiple six-figure launches with our digital products, because the right hook not only attracts buyers, it'll help you attract affiliates, go viral on social media, and turn simple ideas into six-figure launches. Now, if we haven't met before, my name's Jimmy Riley. I'm a former New York stockbroker turned digital marketer, and over the last few years, I've used these exact hook strategies to sell over $10 million in digital products online. And one thing I started noticing really quickly is that the biggest hooks online all follow the same three psychological patterns. So in this video, I'm going to break down the three triggers your hook needs if you want people to actually stop, pay attention, and buy. And no, this isn't generic marketing advice like sell the benefit or identify pain points, because before you can express any kind of benefits your product offers, you need to grab attention by making people feel like they've just discovered something new. That's why people will scroll past headlines that say lose 30 pounds fast, but something like Russian scientists discover a hidden fat loss gene will stop people cold. In fact, that brings us to the first step of our hook formula: introduce a unique discovery. Let me show you some examples to see how this trigger can turn ordinary, boring hooks into ones that will catch attention. You can take a boring, benefit-driven hook like the easiest way to save on your taxes and add a new discovery angle to it to make it catch attention, like new IRS loophole just unlocked, the easiest way to save on your taxes. We can do the same thing for a hook like fastest way to lose 30 pounds and add a discovery angle to it with scientists discover hidden metabolic fat loss switch that is the fastest way to lose 30 pounds. In the make money space, we can take a boring hook like easiest way to make money online and add some intrigue with Instagram's new AI algorithm update creates the easiest way to make money online. Introducing a unique discovery makes your hook sound like information they need to know now. Look, your prospect's brain is constantly filtering out information. Most marketing gets ignored because their brain says, I've seen this before. Novelty is what breaks this filter. So instead of leading with your product's benefits, lead with a new opportunity and present it like breaking news. One of the most famous examples of this is the Atkins diet. Every weight loss program before Atkins promised crazy benefits, but they all used the same core mechanism, which was either count calories or eat less fat. Atkins diet exploded in popularity because it introduced a unique discovery. It's not calories or fat that make you gain weight, it's the carbs. Now, Atkins diet became a cultural phenomenon with an estimated 30 million Americans following it. We use this same strategy in one of our digital products that we sell to consultants by first introducing a new law that is hurting businesses as headline news, and then selling our product as a way to make money helping businesses with this problem. Once you see the idea of unique discoveries, you'll start seeing them everywhere in marketing. And by the way, if you want to implement these three triggers in your digital product hook, I created a free hook creation checklist along with some prompts that'll help you create a strong hook for your product idea, and you can grab it at the link below. Now, getting attention with a unique discovery is only half the battle. Once someone sees your hook and stops scrolling, their brain immediately asks, what's in this for me and what's this going to cost me? And the best hooks answer both at the same time. This leads us to the second hook trigger that I call dream and nightmare stacking. You stack the dream outcome people want while at the same time eliminating the nightmare scenarios they fear that get in the way. Look, our brains are hardwired to pay attention to two things: opportunity and danger. That's basic survival psychology. Think about our ancestors out in the Serengeti. If they noticed movement in the grass, their brain instantly locked onto it because in a split second, they had to figure out, is this food or am I about to become food? And that exact same psychology still controls attention today. Except now, instead of scanning the grasslands, people are scanning YouTube thumbnails, ads, sales pages, and social media posts. Subconsciously, every person is asking, can this improve my life or can this help me avoid pain? But here's the mistake most marketers make. Their hooks only answer one of those questions. They either promise a dream or they talk about a problem that needs to be solved. The strongest hooks do both simultaneously. First, your hook needs to describe your customer's dream outcome. Look, people don't just want to lose weight. They want to confidently wear that bikini on the beach, or feel attractive to others around them, or look in the mirror and feel proud of what they see. People don't just want to make money, they want to quit their jobs, they want to stop stressing about bills, and they want to wake up in the morning when they want without an alarm clock. Now, the second part of your hook needs to eliminate the hidden fear that makes people resist those dreams, and that's the nightmare. Promising the dream while eliminating the nightmare is the secret to the second trigger. For example, a program that gets you a beach body ready in 3 months without giving up the foods you love. Or how about how to use social media to quit your day job without becoming a cringe influencer? Or how to pay off all your debt without working 16-hour days? A weak hook promises results. A strong hook promises a dreamed outcome without the nightmare scenarios attached to it. Let me give you an example from our business. This headline promises a clear benefit and eliminates the usual pain points that come with that benefit. Now, when we released this offer, ChatGPT was still quite new, so it also leaned on a new discovery angle. In fact, right now you could replace ChatGPT with OpenClaw or whatever hot thing is in the news today, and this headline would still work just as well. This headline helped sell a $17 product to do over $500,000 in its first year, and this product still sells successfully today. And look, if you want to learn how to take hooks like these, turn them into digital products fast, and package them into offers that people actually buy, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because I'll be breaking down the process step by step in future videos. Now, at this point, we've grabbed our prospect's attention with a unique discovery. We've fanned that desire, promising a dream outcome where we're also eliminating the nightmare. However, there's one final problem our hook needs to solve. Right now, their brain is asking, how hard is this going to be? And this is where most hooks completely fall apart, because the third psychological trigger is what I call the effortless solution. Our brains naturally look for the path of least resistance. People are drawn toward opportunities that feel fast, simple, and achievable. We've introduced a unique discovery that is the key to what they desire. Now we have to position our product as the easiest way to capitalize on it. We do this in 2 ways. First, you want to add elements into your product that make it easier for your customer to achieve their goals. So instead of just selling training or an ebook, add templates, automation, swipe files, recipe books, AI prompts, or any kind of done-for-you system. Second, you want to name your product to appear as effortless as possible. All of our products have the same specific naming convention, and let me give you some examples. A while back, we sold a product to local businesses on how to do SEO and called it the Effortless SEO Formula. We had another product that taught consultants on how to get clients, and we called it the Effortless Consulting Formula. Now, we had another program that teaches affiliate marketing using AI, and we called it Auto Affiliate AI. I'm sure you can see the trend here. All of our product names have the words effortless, auto, automated, and we go even further with our product upsells. The first upsell we offer on every product we sell is a done-for-you version, because once they're sold on the initial product hook, we upsell them another offer at a significantly higher price that simply gets them the same results we were promising, just with even less effort. Remember, a weak product hook will create interest in your opportunity, but a strong hook will make that opportunity feel attainable. Now, when you combine all 3 triggers, a unique discovery, a dream outcome without the nightmare, and an effortless solution to achieve it, you create a product hook that will sell itself. Let me show you how this works in real time. Let's say I wanted to turn this video into a digital product. A weak hook would be something like how to generate more sales of your digital product. We can certainly do better than that. Let's start with a new discovery. Maybe something like new psychological hook formula helps digital products practically sell themselves. Next, we want to think about the dream scenario our customers want and remove any nightmares. Maybe something like build digital products that generate sales and passive income without obsessing over complicated funnels, VSLs, or posting content every day. And finally, we need a solution that makes the process effortless. Perhaps something simple like using simple copy and paste AI prompts. Now, if we combine those 3 triggers into one hook, we get new psychological hook formula helps digital products practically sell themselves, allowing regular people to generate passive income online without complicated funnels, VSLs, or daily content using simple copy-paste AI prompts. That hook becomes the basis for my headlines, my VSLs, my social media content, and my advertising. Now, obviously, I just built that in under 60 seconds, but it illustrates how you can go from a weak promise to a compelling hook quickly when you apply these 3 triggers. And if you want the full hook creation checklist, along with some AI prompts to speed up the process, just click the link below in the description, enter your email on the next page, and I'll send it to you. Now, at this point, you know how to turn product ideas into compelling hooks. But a great hook means nothing if you don't have people to sell to. You may have noticed this channel is still relatively new. I don't have a massive audience here yet, but we're still using these strategies to generate millions of dollars in digital product sales. So if you want to see how we sell digital products without a large audience, click this video right here, because in that video, I'll show you the 0 follower sales strategy we've been using for over 10 years to grow our business.